What's up guys, Rob here with Adventure Bound Offroad, and today we are officially kicking off the JL 392 build. So you can see we've already knocked the fenders off, sliders, bumpers are off of it. So now we are going to start stripping this thing down to do the Genrite roll cage. So we've got everything set out. A lot of this stuff needs to get spray painted, so we'll be using some Seymour self-etching primer and semi-gloss black. JB is starting to get these tubes all prepped, but first we have to disassemble the interior, and that's what we're going to do first. So the first step, we're going to remove the doors. So basically just come in, disconnect the wires, lift those up. We're going to be setting them over in the other shop. Then we're going to take the hard top off, and then basically all the interior needs to come out. The seats, the carpet, console, all the plastics up and around. Basically strip everything out so we can cut out the factory cage. All right, so now we have all the doors off, the top is off. Now we need to come in, remove the seats, remove the carpet. We'll have to remove that little molly panel up there. And then we'll have to start coming in here and removing all these plastics to expose the factory cage. So that way we can start cutting that out. And then also we're gonna be chopping the B-pillar. All these plastics are going to come out back here. We're going to have to relocate the sub. So we'll probably build a custom box if there's not something already out there that will lean up against the seat, unless we can come up with something a little more creative. But as of right now, it's kind of where we're at. What do we have here? Oh, some of the foam stuck. This thing's going to be sweet. We got to get these taillights off. Coming along, making good progress today. Jay Bizzle, you hot?
It's hot.
It is a hot one.
But we're gonna get her done.
Air conditioned shop coming soon in our future. All right, let's get at it. Lunchtime. Let's get the rear seats out. I think rotate it, and then we'll pull it out, and then come over and you grab the other side.
Yep. Ready?
All right, so far we've gotten basically the front stripped to the B pillar. Everything's out of here. We still have to come in here and take the cowl out, take the windshield completely off, but it's stripped internally. Now we need to come in here, strip the B pillar, the rest of the speaker boxes and all of those trim pieces, and then we'll just continue working our way back. All right, guys, this was my goal, get the Jeep stripped down today. We still do have to remove the windshield and the cowl, but I'll do that tomorrow when I have JB to help me. But as far as the interior goes, it is all disassembled. We will still have to remove the harnesses and all that good stuff, but I just wanted all the panels out, stripped down. We can kind of do a cleanup in here, and that'll be the next step to get everything, all the harnesses and everything stripped, and we can start cutting this thing out. What a project. JB also got all the tubes prepped, so we DA sanded all the ends where everything will get welded together, so we are ready to start assembling the cage.